Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15DA0031NS laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out using compressed air or a soft brush, ensuring that your laptop remains in good condition. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's wise to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could damage the internal components. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery from its compartment. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Now, take your new battery and align it with the compartment. Carefully connect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Once connected, double-check that it is seated properly before proceeding. Before reassembling the laptop, it's advisable to perform a quick test. Power on the laptop to ensure it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. If you find any of these steps too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, once all screws are in place, give your laptop a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. Your HP 15DA0031NS is now ready to go with its new battery. If you ever need assistance in the future, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind for all our customers. Enjoy your enhanced laptop performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.